This is the old train station in Devon. And you got the phone box there. There's me, my brother Steve. Say hello, Steve. Alright. Okay. This is the old West Coast train.
I'll explain.
You explain, Steve. Go on then.
Right. Yeah, what we've got here, we've got the old wedding today, when they have the old luggage. This is how it presents itself. We come in like a truck like this, people in a rush, get on there, running off platform to get onto the train. And then we have the one which looks like a train itself with the same kind of wheels, like a trolley. And the old square big kind of luggage would go on here, you know. So, and plus, with the dairies, this side, look, we have the milk cart and things where, you know, from the dairy farms, they need to transport from one place to another. So, it was from here transported straight to the train. This station was closed many years ago. But what you see here in Buckfastliegh is what the old station in the day, which when I'm going to show you in a minute, the steam train, which is at the back of here. If you look at on this notice, the Great Western here, the Royal Purse tells you all about, look, this is an enamel board original. The booking office sign, how old that is, you can tell. And when you look at the old posters here, you can tell with that. You need to get me in camera as well here. Over that way, you know, you need to get me in.
Yeah, no, yeah.
You know, this is where the poster board is, like there. We have another one here, you know. And look, we've got all these old signs here, back in the day. And the old toilets are brilliant. Look. GWR, Great Western Railway. All these towels are all the original. That's on the side, that's the guys here. Look, and you come through here. And look at how beautiful the toilets are. And all this kind of, how it looks, look how posh these lights and so. Got a nice bit of soap there for using. When you, on the day there's a lot of oil out there, get a quick wash. But look at when you're on your travel, it's fantastic. That's going this way.
Do they work then, that water then?
Yeah, it does. So, we come out here, and we're going to show you now, guys. We're going to show you now. This is where the steam railway, the old railway. So follow me. Right guys, we're just joking. Now look, see? Back in the camera that way. Don't see the camera. So, over there. Look at that. Look at all the look how where all the actual instruments we're using, all the technical stuff in the steam, you know, all that shoveled in there. It's so intricate looking, even for someone like me, who's a mechanical novice, which seems comes across very complicated. Anyway, let's move on over here. As you can see how beautiful it looks. The old wheels here. All these yeah. Anyway, so it's the front end, isn't it? That beautiful logo on there. As you can see here, look. British Railways. It's like a Welsh dragon really, isn't it? You look at that. I think it was Welsh. Probably more than likely was, you know what I mean? So, as we get over here, look, there's the old cars, you can remember the ones that used to carry stuff in, you see them in the westerns and so forth, you know what I mean? The cowboys and western days, you know, in American movies. But we can sneak it over here, look. We have a variety of things here. Got the locomotive kind of diesel type one there. Yeah. Another old carriage one there. Different style of one there as well at the same time. So there you go, guys. We're at Buckfastliegh.
End it now.
This is where we're going to end this journey. And I wish you all the best now from walking on sunshine.